Hello primary ones, this is our very first video where we are learning our sounds. So in this video we are learning to recognise our sounds. That means you're going to know them. To be successful today, I hope that you can say, read and write your sound. So our very first sound is mm. My turn, then your turn. Good job. I'm going to show you some pictures of words that begin with our sound Mountain, moon, mouse, mirror. Let's look at them again. I wonder if you can do it. If I can do it, then you can do it. Mountain. Good job. Moon. Yes. Mouse. And mirror. Fantastic. So they all start with the same sound. Let me show you what looks like. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Here we have Maisie, mountain, mountain. Now, it looks like this. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. I wonder if you can say that to yourself at home. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Now I have a picture just like this. And on one side, I've got Maisie, mountain, mountain. And on the other, I have I wonder if I can try and trick you. If you see say If you see Maisie, mountain, mountain, say Maisie, mountain, mountain. Are you ready? Maisie, mountain, mountain. Good job. Maisie, mountain, mountain. I don't think I managed to trick any of you. Okay, where do we go after that? I'm now going to hide our sound into lots of other sounds. When you see it, tell us if you spot it by touching your nose. Can you see There it is. Oh, you're very good at this. Let's try again. I'll shuffle my sounds round. There it is. Good job. Let's try that one more time. Can you find Fantastic. We're now going to have a go at writing So with your finger in the air, follow along with me. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Good job. I wonder if you can keep trying with your finger. Maisie, mountain, mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. I'm now going to introduce you to my friend Fred. Now you got the chance to see Fred in class already. Fred can tell us some sounds. I'll sound them out to you and let's see if we can put them together. Man. Your turn. Man. Good job. If you know it, feel free to jump in. Here's our next one. Mum. Mum. Good job. Let's try that one again. Mum. Fantastic. Oh, I think Fred has a few more words for us. Mud. Mud. Good job. And maybe one more for Fred. Mad. Mad. Good job. Now in our lesson, we were hoping to be able to say the sound, read the sound, and